Hi! I'm Blake and I'm in an attic. I'm de-squirrelifying this attic. So right now I'm taking out all of the nasty insulation that squirrels have been living in for years and take it out. And after I'm done with this, I'm gonna clean it out and sanitize it. So this house in the Central West End, I came out to about 3 months ago. And there was a giant hole rotted on the side of the house where squirrels had been living for years and years. And about that time, I was like, all I can do is trap for you. So I caught like 5 squirrels, something like that, got enough squirrels out of here so they could show the house to sell it. So there wouldn't be squirrels running around with the potential buyers. And since then, they've had somebody come out and fix the gutters, fix the roof, fix the siding. And so now we're gonna extract all of the nasty insulation and blow new stuff. All right, so next step, now we got all the nasty insulation out. Next step is we clean it. In this fogger, this ULV, ultra low volume fogger, I have what's called DSV. It's a disinfectant sanitizer virucide. So I actually just fog the entire area to clean it. This is kind of a similar thing that they use to disinfect surgical tables right before surgery. So clean that up and get that in there, and then we'll start putting in the new insulation.